Hi children, how are you? Are you happy children? Are you happy? Okay. Today we are going to study answering questions. What? Answering questions. Okay. All of you take your English text, page number 30. Take soon, page number 30. See children, what is the boy doing? What is the boy doing? ഈ ബോയ് എന്താ ചെയ്യുന്നത് എന്ന്. വാട്ട് WHAT വാട്ട്. വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ ബോയ് ഡൂയിങ്? ഹി ഈസ് പ്ലേയിങ്. വാട്ട് ഈസ് ഹി ഡൂയിങ്? ഹി ഈസ് പ്ലേയിങ്. അവൻ എന്താ ചെയ്യുന്നത്? അവൻ കളിക്കുകയാണ്. ഫോർ ദ ബോയ് വി വിൽ യൂസ് ഹീ. ഓക്കെ, നമ്മൾ ബോയ് ആണ് പറയുന്നതെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? വി വിൽ യൂസ് ഹീ. ബോയ് ആയതുകൊണ്ട് H starting, see this HE, he is playing. Look at the board children. What? WHAT. Okay, WHAT. What is the boy doing? Doing എന്താണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? H, capital H, HE, he, keep some distance. He is playing. What is he doing? He is playing. Spell the word playing. PLAYING. When we do the action continuous, we will add ing. You forgot that? Already taken the lesson last year. Okay children, playing, PLAYING is playing. He is playing. Next, he is playing football. No. Yeah, next, what is the girl doing? Girl എന്താ ചെയ്യുന്നത്? What is the girl doing? For the girl we will use she. For the girl we will use she. She എന്നാ പറയുക. She, SHE, she. Say with me. SHE, she. അവൾ. She is hopping. She is hopping. What is the girl doing? What is the girl doing? She is hopping. എന്താ ചെയ്യുന്നത്? ഇങ്ങനെ തുള്ളി കളിക്കുക അല്ലേ? ഷീ ഈസ് ഹോപ്പിംഗ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ്, വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ കാംഗ്രൂ ഡൂയിങ്? വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ കാംഗ്രൂ ഡൂയിങ്? ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഹോപ്പിംഗ്. വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ കാംഗ്രൂ ഡൂയിങ്? ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഹോപ്പിംഗ്. ഹോപ്പിംഗ്, ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഹോപ്പിംഗ്. കാംഗ്രൂ ഈസ് നോട്ട് എ ഹ്യൂമൻ ബീയിങ്. ഓക്കെ ചിൽഡ്രൻ, വി ആർ ഹ്യൂമൻ ബീയിങ്. നമ്മളൊക്കെ മനുഷ്യരാണ്. കാംഗ്രൂ ഈസ് ആൻ ആനിമൽ. നോ, കാംഗ്രൂ എന്താണ്? ഒരു ആനിമലാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് എന്താ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുക? വാട്ട് വിൽ യൂസ്? ഇറ്റ്. സ്റ്റാർട്ടിങ് ഇറ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഹോപ്പിംഗ്. വാട്ട് ചിൽഡ്രൻ? ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഹോപ്പിംഗ്. സി, വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ കാംഗ്രൂ ഡൂയിങ്? എന്താ കങ്കാരു? കങ്കാരു നമ്മൾ മലയാളത്തിൽ പറയും, ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ കാംഗ്രൂ. വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ കാംഗ്രൂ ഡൂയിങ്? ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഹോപ്പിംഗ്. Capital IT, it. It is hopping. Okay children, turn the next page. What is the girl doing? She is eating. She is eating different type of food. No children? Bullseye, egg bullseye. Next, idli, dal, cup of milk. She is eating energy food. All of you must eat healthy food. Okay children, don't eat kurukure, karmure. I don't know. Don't eat like that. Okay, all of you, you must eat healthy food. Okay children, she is eating. What is the girl doing? She is eating. She is eating. What's the spelling of eating? EAT. Eat. Ing, add ing. Eating. EATING. Okay, eating. Next, what is the boy doing? What is the boy doing? He is climbing. He is climbing up the tree. മരത്തിൻ്റെ മുകളിലേക്ക് കയറുകയാണ്. കണ്ടില്ലേ? He is climbing. What is the boy doing? He is climbing. Spell the word climbing. Do you know? Spell the word climbing. Climb. C, cl. Okay, CL. bing, bing, climbing, say with me, say loud, climbing, climbing, climb, okay, add ing, climbing, okay, he is climbing. Next, what is the girl doing? Ee girl endha cheyyune? She is running. She is running down the stairs, no? ഇത് സ്റ്റേഴ്സിൽ നിന്ന് താഴേക്ക് ഓടി ഇറങ്ങുകയാണ്. അങ്ങനെ ഓടി ഇറങ്ങാൻ പാടുണ്ടോ? വീണ് പോകല്ലേ? What is the girl doing? She is running. Running down the stairs. Okay, she is running. Running, what's the spelling running? RUNNING. Say loud, running. RUNNING. Say once again, RUNNING. Running. What is the girl doing? She is running. Next, what happened, children? What is the girl doing? She is crying. I don't know what is she crying. She is crying. What is the girl doing? She is crying. She is lazy to study. That's why she is crying. I think she is crying. What's the spelling crying? CRYING. Children, say CRY, cry. CRY, cry. Add ing, crying. CRYING, crying. Say loud, CRY, cry. ING, crying. Next, what is the man doing? What is the man doing? He is laughing. No, he is laughing. What is the man doing, children? He is laughing. Laughing means chirikya. Laughing. What's the spelling laughing? LAUGHING. What's the spell? Spell the word laughing. Say LAUGH, laugh. Okay, LAUGH, laughing. ING, laughing. LAUGHING, laughing. He is laughing. Children, next, what is the duck doing? What is the duck doing? It is swimming. It, starting, listen children, it. Duck is a human being? No. Duck is not a human being. No. It is a bird. No. It is a swimming bird. What is the duck doing? It is swimming. Duck എന്താ ചെയ്യുന്നേ? Swimming. എന്താ duck ചെയ്യുന്നത്? Swimming. SWIMMING, swimming. Spell the word swimming. SWIMMING, swimming. SWIMMING, swimming. What is the duck doing, children? It is swimming. Okay. Children, all of you must study this action words. Okay, children? Answering questions. All of you look at the board. Read once more. What is the boy doing? He is playing. What's the boy doing? He is playing. Next, what is the girl doing? She is hopping. What's the girl doing? She is hopping. What is the kangaroo doing? It is hopping. What is the kangaroo doing? It is hopping. Next, eating. EATING, eating. EATING. Next, which word is this? Can you read this? Yeah, climbing. Climbing. CLIMBING, climbing. Next, RUNNING, what? RUNNING? Yeah, running. RUNNING. Next, C-R-Y-I-N-G is crying. C-R-Y-I-N-G, crying. L-A-U-G-H-I-N-G, what? L-A-U-G-H-I-N-G, laughing. L-A-U-G-H-I-N-G is laughing. Next is W-I-M-M-I-N-G, what? Swimming. What, children? Spell the word swimming. Is W-I-M-M-I-N-G. Okay, children, all of you must study well. Don't be lazy, children. All of you must all the words, and all of you do the homework and send it to me. Okay, tata, bye bye.